Here we go with the automatic, well, at least the heck of a lot easier to change manual solid tire changer for scooters.
All right. Let's see step by step. Is it on?
You gotta take the bell off.
Okay, there we go. All right. Go and put that over there. And then, let's get some lubricant on here, right? Where's the, we got these gloves. I spray it on?
Yeah, spray, just spray around the, all around the edge there.
How you do it?
Well, hold it up right straight. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Yeah, so he's just putting a little bit of lithium grease on there. Okay, that's good. The tires aren't boiling. They've just been sitting in really hot water, not boiling though. We just need them so that they're malleable and easy to go down. It's just easier to adjust once the machine compresses them onto the rim. Yeah, you gotta go around like that. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Okay. Maybe drop it on the ground once so you get all that water out. There you go. Because now he's going to put the tire on top of it.
I'll bring it over.
He's going to bring the machine over.
It is? I think so. And then you just turn like that. Oh.
Yeah, that way it's closer to the... No, that's a blow dryer.
Where did you put the... Here. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay.
So this does come with a crank handle, but it also just has an attachment, so you can just use a drill to do it too. So now he's going to just bring him down.
Put pressure on this right here.
Yeah. Just hold it on the top, Lukey. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Push it down.
Then he's just gonna bring down the screwdriver to adjust it. I think I'll get that can. Hand me that can, Ricky. The can's gonna fall. Yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah, sit on the sit it there. That's
I
fine.
put it right here. So I'm just trying to align these.
So now he's just trying to line the hole so he can put the bolt through.
Oh, Dad did it so far. Did you the other side? Oh, there. Oh.
Yeah, put it in the middle, not too far. Yeah, perfect. And there's no, we don't put any nut on. Don't make it in the middle. Wait.
Yeah, Nick. Put it back up there.
Yeah, because that way, if once it starts going, it'll catch. So. Okay, now here comes the compression. He's just trying to make sure it lines up at the bottom there.
Yeah.
Now, Luke, you don't hold on. You don't need to hold on at the top. Yeah, that's better.
All right.
Here we go. Oh, wrong way. That never happens.
Never.
Line it back up as best as possible, and you go for it. And here it goes. This is a G30 Max Segway scooter wheel. Just like that, the tire is on. Okay, then pull the whole bell off, and we're going to check for alignment. So there's going to be just a little bit of pushing right here, and Nate's going to show that. And this is why we warm it up a little bit, because if you don't warm it up, we found that this is a little difficult to do.
There's take out the brakes. Thank you.
And you see it falls into place pretty easy. Slipping right into the place where it usually locks in. Check the other side. Other side is perfect. Done.
Perfect.
Nice. Yay.
Wow.
And that's how you put on a Segway G30 solid tire without killing yourself.
Good.
Yay.